Hi, do you feel dizzy and uncomfortable, especially when turning your head from right side to the left side, especially while walking, driving, or being out for socializing? Namaste, myself Dr. Yogita Birur, founder of Mindwell Homeopathy, Yoga Therapy and Diet Clinic. Let's see what is the cause and what we can do for it. Let's understand the vestibular system. The system which controls balance, and it is made up of three parts. Number one, inner ear that contains tiny crystals that sends information about motion and position. Number two, proprioception, signals from joints and muscles telling the brain where the body is in space. Number three, visual system, information from what we see. Sometimes dizziness is not caused by a single problem in one part of the system. Instead, the entire system can become overly sensitive. This may happen after a neck injury or the certain headache syndrome or some other issues. Think of it like a seasickness. If you were on a boat for 6 months, eventually the body would adapt and the seasickness would fade. That's exactly what we aim for it, for helping the vestibular system adapt and regain stability. Now let's understand what we should do for it. We have to do three exercises for it. First, initially, we will give a rotation to the right side and then left side down, again center, left side down, again right side down. We'll repeat for this 3 times, right side, left side down, then again center, left side, and then right side down. Now second, we'll close the eyes and we'll do it again, right side, then go to the left side down, again center, then left side, again center, and go to the right side and open your eyes. Again, this will do for the twice or thrice. Then the third round. In the third round, you have to point one finger and take the finger far away and again center, again far, and again center. Just observe the tip of your finger and again near to your head, observe the tip of the finger, again come back to the position. Now in the fourth round, what we will do, we will stand up again, look to the right side, look down, sit, again look up to the left side, again down to the right side, again come up, right side, sit down, go look to the left side, again come up, look to the left, sit down and look to the right side. It sounds maybe funny, but you have to practice this. You have to balance all the three to four postures given by me and practice this so that the oversensitivity of the vestibular system will fade away and you will feel better in your dizziness. I hope this may help for you. Namaste.